Rhino 7 now works on Apple M1 silicone computers. Let me show you how. Hey there, this is Justin. Normally we do videos on CNCs and CAM, but you probably don't care about that. I do use Rhino daily, and not being able to use it on my M1 MacBook Pro has been troubling, to say the least. Maybe I'm a Rhino addict? I don't know. Anyway, today marks the first day it works. Albeit with Rosetta 2, I am happy and wanted to share this. The steps to getting this working are super simple, so I won't drag it out. The first step is to update to Big Sur 11.3. You do that by going to Preferences, and then Software Update. I've already done this, but if you were up to date previously, you would see a button to Install Now, and it would say macOS Big Sur 11.3. You do need to restart, and it took about 12 minutes to update. It was pretty fast. Once Big Sur is updated to 11.3, you can install Rhino. The easiest way to download Rhino is to go to rhino3d.com, their website. Click Download in the upper left, then select Rhino 7 for Mac. Enter your email address, then click Download. And if you don't own Rhino, they have a generous 90-day full-featured trial. It seems like it lasts forever. Then install Rhino 7.5 on your Mac when it's done downloading. Once that's done installing, that's really it. No workarounds at all, just open up Rhino 7. You may need to log in or enter a serial number depending on how your licensing works. And keep in mind, the first startup of a Rosetta 2 app might take a little longer than normal. If you're on the fence about using an M1 Mac, I've been using both a MacBook Pro and a Mini since they came out and had very few hiccups. And really that's like not having Rhino, and Google Drive's been a little bit of a mess. I have a video on that. Otherwise, they've been phenomenal. I still can't believe how capable they are and how long the battery lasts on this MacBook. It's legit a full day of CAD use. Anyway, I'm thinking of doing a video on my favorite Mac apps and hacks. Let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in something like this. I haven't tested this new 7.5 Rhino extensively, but it seems like Grasshopper works just fine, as well as the in-browser render window. If you want to support the channel, but don't want a Patreon-like subscription, Buy Me a Coffee is the perfect option. The idea of Buy Me a Coffee is to offer someone a cash equivalent of buying them a drink as a thank you. It's a one-time thing to show your support for the channel and keeps the content and coffee flowing. Look for the link below for Buy Me a Coffee. If you want to get our CAD and CAM models that we show in the videos, subscribe to our Patreon at cnc.money. Thanks.
If you haven't subscribed, it's imperative you do. I know if you watched this far, you obviously enjoyed it a little.